Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. As you can see, my friend let me borrow all of his clothes to go on my snow trip. So that's going to be exciting. It looks like the clothes fit me perfect, which is just amazing. But anyways, on to today's video. I wanted to tell you, I just took some pictures and I'll try to describe them, but I am running short on time. I'm going to play some Fortnite with my friend right now and just got to pack all this stuff up and pick up my friend in a little bit to go to Bible study. So anyways, in today's video, I basically was working on the piping. I was working on the piping from yesterday, and then I got called off to work downstairs and pull some fire alarm mounting boxes in the ceiling and pulling wire for fire alarm and stuff like that. And my friend is text messaging me right now to get on Fortnite. And anyways, check out the video and or just watch the rest of the video, and you will see exactly what I did, and I'll try to add descriptions to each of those, and enjoy the video, guys. Thanks. Alright guys, thanks for making it to the end of the video. I appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave me questions for tomorrow's video. Hopefully I'll wake up early enough to do that. I'll try to make it to 30 questions, but I don't know if we have that many questions. So make sure to drop questions below if you got any questions. Ask me anything, and we will answer that tomorrow. And yeah, the more questions, the longer the video. The less questions, shorter the video. So anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. It'll help me out, and I appreciate it. Don't forget to check out the description for social medias to follow along, like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitch. And yep, and if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams, make sure to click the notification bell. Thanks guys, have a great weekend. I will see you tomorrow. God bless, and peace out.